Hi, Gators. Just want to walk you through some of the features and things that you should be looking for in Section 2 of the Borderlands text. Section 2 is called a struggle for borders, and so I want you to use the markup feature and highlight in purple anything that's related to struggle or conflict. That will help you understand this section by understanding what the conflict is, and then we can tie that back to Borderlands. There's different features that you can use. The text box will provide a place for you to put in some translations of the Spanish text that you're unfamiliar with. And the dictionary feature will provide you definitions of words that you are unfamiliar with so that you can have a better understanding of the text. So if, for example, you see the word monolingual and you use the dictionary feature to click on that, it will tell you that it is of a person or society speaking only one language. Okay, so that helps with the definition portion. So now I want to show you using the markup feature with purple, looking for vocabulary that's related to struggle or conflict. Right away here, I can see a clash of voices. Okay, that definitely feels like it is related to conflict. I already know that strife is a conflict-related word, so I can highlight that. If you don't know the definition, you can use the dictionary feature. And then I see plagued. Now, that's just not a positive word. So might or might not be connected with conflict, but it is definitely a struggle. And then, of course, restlessness. Okay, so as you go throughout this, be sure to look for vocabulary that's related to conflict and struggle to help you understand this section better. Back at the top, we had that we were going to put anything that defined or explains Borderlands in this blue color. And so I'm going to switch to that, and we're going to go back to section 2 with that as our lens. Now, this vocabulary word that I looked up says torn between two ways or places. That's definitely connected to Borderlands. So now I'm going to kind of do part of that in blue. Okay, meaning torn between ways. Okay, and so that is connected to and helps me understand and define Borderlands a little bit better. I also think the part here that she says in a state of perpetual transition is connected to Borderlands. So I'm going to put some blue over that as well. Okay, and then got some more vocabulary here that's related to conflict. A dilemma is a problem. Okay, and she says that the problem is, or the dilemma is, of a mixed breed. Which collectivity does the daughter of a dark-skinned mother listen to? Okay, so this is one of the questions she's asking that's connected to the conflict. So as you continue to go through section 2, you can use text box to make a space for a translation. Okay, and again, make sure to look for and examine systems of power. Here I see another vocabulary word related to conflict. So I'm going to go back to my feature and find purple for a struggle of borders, right? Back here, a struggle of flesh, three cultures and their value systems. Okay, three cultures and their value systems, a struggle of flesh. Okay, and continue with that as you go throughout the section. Then at the pausing point, answer, what is counterstance? How does that relate to consciousness? And that will help you understand this section better.